Welcome to our exploration of the SHA256 command in Splunk SPL. SHA256 stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit, which is a powerful cryptographic function used for generating secure hash values. This command is essential for creating strong cryptographic hashes that serve various security and data integrity purposes in your Splunk searches and data analysis workflows. SHA256 is a cryptographic hash function that belongs to the SHA2 family of algorithms. It produces a fixed-length hash value of exactly 256 bits, which equals 32 bytes. The key characteristics that make SHA256 valuable are its deterministic nature, meaning the same input always produces the same output, its one-way property making it computationally infeasible to reverse, and its collision resistance, which prevents different inputs from producing identical hash values. This algorithm is widely used in Bitcoin blockchain technology, SSL certificates for web security, and various data integrity verification systems. The syntax for using the SHA256 command in Splunk is straightforward and flexible. You can hash string literals by using SHA256 with the input text enclosed in double quotes. Alternatively, you can hash field values by passing the field name directly to the function. The command accepts both string literals and field references, making it versatile for different data processing scenarios. The output is always a 64-character hexadecimal string, representing the 256-bit hash value. Here's a practical example of hashing a string literal using the SHA256 command. When we use the eval command to create a new field called #_value and apply SHA256 to the string hello world, Splunk processes this input and generates a unique hash. The resulting output is a 64-character hexadecimal string, a
591624040117337B7B190D62C65BF0BCDA32B57B277D9A9F146E.
This hash is deterministic, meaning running this command multiple times will always produce the same result. The SHA256 command becomes particularly powerful when working with field values from your data. In the first example, we create a password hash by applying SHA256 to the user_password field, storing the result in password_hash. This is commonly used for secure password storage and verification. The second example demonstrates creating a file checksum by hashing the file_content field and storing it as file_checksum. This approach is essential for password verification systems, file integrity monitoring, and data deduplication processes where you need to identify identical content, regardless of its source or location. SHA256 has numerous practical applications in data security and analysis. For password security, it enables secure storage and comparison of user credentials without storing actual passwords. In data integrity scenarios, you can verify file checksums and detect any unauthorized tampering or corruption. For deduplication purposes, SHA256 helps identify duplicate records by comparing hash values rather than entire datasets, which is much more efficient. In audit trail scenarios, you can create unique identifiers for log entries, enabling better tracking and correlation of events across your security infrastructure. Let's examine a real-world scenario where SHA256 proves invaluable for detecting duplicate user accounts. Starting with an index called users, we first use the eval command to create an email_hash field by applying SHA256 to each email_address. Then we use the stats command to count occurrences of each unique email hash value. Finally, we filter the results using the where command to show only email hashes that appear more than once, indicating duplicate accounts. This approach protects user privacy by hashing email addresses while still enabling duplicate detection, making it perfect for data governance and user account management. As we conclude our exploration of the SHA256 command, remember these essential points. SHA256 produces secure 256-bit cryptographic hashes that are ideal for security applications. The syntax is simple and flexible, accepting both string literals with double quotes and direct field name references. This command is perfect for password security, data integrity verification, deduplication tasks, and audit trail creation. By mastering the SHA256 function, you'll have a robust tool for implementing data security and integrity measures in your Splunk environment, ensuring your data analysis workflows maintain the highest security standards. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.